Last video, I said that I had two methods. Last time I showed you method 1. This time, we're going to have a better method. So, let's review what we did last method. We created a function called swap, and what we did was we created a variable called z, which is equal to the parameter x, and then we said x is now equal to y, and then y equals x. That was our function, right? And then we returned x comma y. And then we create two variables, a and b, and then we had a comma b equals swap a comma b, and then print a comma b, right? Well, this return x comma y, where this x, because right here we said a comma b equals swap a comma b, a is taking in place x and b is taking in place y. This x would refer to a and this y would refer to b. Because, okay, so look, we returned x comma y, and then we said a comma b equals swap a comma b, meaning a, whatever the x is in the function, they would replace it with a. Whatever b is in the function, they would replace it. Whatever y is in the function, they replace it with b. Sorry. So, meaning that z would equal a would be changed into b, and then b would be changed into z. And then we return xy. Okay, but the problem is these won't actually change until we return the values and say a comma b equals swap a comma b. Then we did x equals a, and then y equals b, because we returned x comma y. If we returned y comma x, y would be a and x would be b, and they wouldn't change. Here, let me show you. So this x over here refers to this, and this y refers to this. So, and this x is now equal to b, and this y is now equal to a, right? That was the old value, because when returning x, that's a, and returning b. A is x, but then the value of x changed into the value of y. It's a little complicated, but what we did was we swapped the value of x and y, and x and y are parameters. A is x, and then y is b. Meaning this goes here and this goes here. Okay, simple, right? What if we didn't need all this code? We knew that if we returned y comma x, this y would become b, and this x would become, this y would become a, and the x would become b. And since y is now the value of a, nothing would change. So we returned x comma y so that the values would actually change, right? So it's actually the return statement that kind of does a lot of the work. So why can't we just return y comma x? Now, probably wondering, you literally just said, if you do that, it's not going to work. Well, the reason I said it's not going to work is because I had certain code that flip-flopped the value of x and y. If I never flip-flopped them, it would work, because this y is still, so over here we said b is y and a would be x. We returned b comma a. Now, since we didn't flip-flop them in the function, what we're doing is we're just returning the values, and this y would become a, and this x would become b. Let's see it work. It should print 5, 7. See? Printed 5, 7. Let's review what I did. I had a function called defSwap that took in parameters x, y. I didn't make x equal y and y equal x. What is, I just returned y comma x. This y became a, and this x became b. Since and that would flip flop the values because b b is y and a is x, and now b is x and a is y, meaning a is now a is b and b is a. Pretty simple. We swapped them. I like this method better because it's shorter and it's less data. We're just returning. The function def swap is just returning y comma x. Thank you for watching. It was a really short video, but it's just another swap method. So, bye.